Imagine spending 5 hours researching a topic, another 3 hours editing your video, designing the perfect thumbnail, writing what you think is the perfect title, and then finally hitting the publish button. You refresh your YouTube studio after an hour. 0 views. You check again before going to bed. Still 0. The next morning. Maybe 2 views. One of them is probably you. If this has ever happened to you, you're not alone. In fact, thousands of creators quit YouTube every single month because they believe the algorithm ignored them. They start thinking, maybe YouTube is too competitive. Or, maybe I started too late. Or the most dangerous one, maybe I'm just not good enough. But after analyzing hundreds of small YouTube channels, I realized something important. Most videos don't get 0 views because the algorithm hates them. They get 0 views because they never gave the algorithm a reason to recommend them. And once you understand how YouTube actually decides who sees your videos, everything starts to make sense. Today, I'm going to show you the real reasons why your videos get almost no views, and more importantly, how you can fix them. Because trust me, the solution isn't uploading more videos. It's uploading smarter. Before we get started, if you're serious about growing on YouTube without wasting months making the same mistakes, hit the subscribe button. Every week I break down real YouTube strategies, AI workflows, and content systems that actually help creators grow. Now let's start with the biggest mistake almost everyone makes. You pick topics nobody cares about. Most creators think YouTube is all about editing. It's not. Before editing, before recording, before even writing your script, there's one question you need to answer. Why would someone click this video? If you can't answer that question, no amount of editing will save it. I see this all the time. Someone uploads a video called My Daily Routine. The problem? Nobody knows who they are. Why would a stranger care? Successful creators don't start with what they want to say. They start with what people already want to know. Instead of asking, what video should I make? Ask, what problem can I solve? That one shift changes everything. Your thumbnail doesn't stop the scroll. Think about how you use YouTube. When you open the homepage, you don't read every title. Your eyes go to the thumbnail first. If the thumbnail doesn't catch your attention, the title never gets a chance. That's why some amazing videos never get views. Not because they're bad, but because nobody clicks on them. Your thumbnail has one job. Make people curious enough to stop scrolling. Not confuse them. Not tell the whole story. Just make them want to know more. You're chasing the algorithm instead of the audience. One of the biggest mistakes I see is creators trying to hack the algorithm. They spend hours watching videos about secret upload times, hidden SEO tricks, or magical settings that promise instant views. But here's the truth, YouTube's algorithm isn't your audience. People are. The algorithm simply watches how real viewers react to your content. If viewers click, watch, and enjoy your video, YouTube shows it to more people. If they don't, it stops recommending it. That's why the smartest creators don't ask, how do I beat the algorithm? They ask, how do I make a video people genuinely want to watch? Once you focus on the audience instead of the algorithm, your entire strategy changes. Your first 30 seconds are killing your video. Imagine clicking on a video that promises to solve your problem. Instead of getting straight to the point, the creator spends the first minute introducing themselves, asking you to like and subscribe, and talking about things that don't matter. Most people leave before the real content even starts. That's exactly why so many videos die. The first 30 seconds are where YouTube decides whether people are interested enough to keep watching. If viewers leave early, YouTube assumes the video isn't satisfying them. The fix is simple. Start with the problem, create curiosity, and tell viewers why they should stay. Save your long introductions for later, or remove them completely. Your title makes a promise, but your video doesn't deliver. Let's say your title is, How to Get 100,000 Views on YouTube. That's a strong promise. But if your video spends 5 minutes talking about your personal story before giving any useful advice, viewers will leave. The best creators understand something important. Every title is a promise, and every video has to keep that promise. If your thumbnail and title create curiosity, your content must satisfy that curiosity quickly. Otherwise, people click away, and YouTube notices. Great titles get the click. Great content earns the recommendation. You upload, then do nothing. A lot of creators think their job ends the moment they hit the publish button. In reality, that's when the work begins. Successful creators study their analytics, reply to comments, test different thumbnails, and learn from every upload. If a thumbnail isn't getting enough clicks, they change it. If viewers keep leaving at the same point, they improve the next video. They treat every upload like an experiment. Most creators upload a video, hope it goes viral, and if it doesn't, they immediately move on. That's not how growth works. Every video gives you data. If you ignore that data, you're ignoring the fastest way to improve. You're giving up too soon. This is probably the hardest truth to hear. Most YouTube channels don't fail because the creators aren't talented. They fail because the creators stop uploading before they become good. Every successful YouTuber has old videos that barely got any views. The difference is they didn't let those numbers decide their future. They kept improving. Every upload made them a little better at writing hooks, designing thumbnails, choosing topics, and keeping viewers engaged. Success on YouTube rarely comes from one perfect video. It comes from dozens of small improvements that compound over time. The creators who eventually get thousands of views are usually the same people who were once celebrating their first 10. So if 0 views aren't caused by bad luck, and they aren't caused by the algorithm, then what should you actually do starting today? The answer is surprisingly simple, and if you follow these next steps consistently, you'll give your videos the best possible chance to reach the audience they're meant for. Stop obsessing over views. Obsess over improvement. Here's something I wish every new YouTuber understood. Your first goal shouldn't be getting 1 million views. It should be making your next video better than your last one. Too many creators open YouTube Studio every 10 minutes, refreshing the view count, hoping something magically changes. But views don't tell you how to improve. Your content does. Instead of asking, "Why did this only get 20 views?" ask yourself, "Was my hook stronger than my last video? Was my thumbnail more clickable? Did I keep people watching longer?" Those are the questions that actually help you grow. The creators who become successful aren't addicted to views. They're addicted to improving. Every video needs one clear goal. One mistake that quietly kills a lot of videos is trying to do too much at once. A creator starts by talking about YouTube growth, then jumps into AI tools, then shares a personal story, then starts giving editing tips. By the end of the video, viewers don't even know what it was supposed to be about. Successful creators keep every video focused on solving one specific problem. If the video is about getting more views, every minute should help the viewer get more views. If it's about thumbnails, don't suddenly spend 5 minutes talking about monetization. Simplicity keeps viewers engaged because they always know they're getting closer to the answer they clicked for. The creators getting views aren't smarter. They're better at solving problems. When you look at successful YouTubers, it's easy to think they're naturally talented. But if you go back and watch their old videos, you'll notice something surprising. Most of them started exactly where you are today. Low views, few subscribers, awkward editing, average thumbnails. The difference wasn't talent, it was repetition. Every upload taught them something new. Every mistake made the next video stronger. Over time, those small improvements created massive results. They didn't wake up one day knowing exactly how YouTube worked. They learned by publishing, analyzing, and improving again and again. Your next video can change everything. This is one of the reasons YouTube is so different from almost every other platform. One great video can completely change your channel. It doesn't matter if your last 10 uploads performed badly. The algorithm doesn't keep a list of your failures. Every new upload gets another chance to prove itself. That's why you should never judge your future by your last video's performance. Treat every upload like a fresh opportunity. Learn from your mistakes, apply what you've learned, and give YouTube a better video than you gave it last time. That's how momentum starts. So, why are your YouTube videos getting 0 views? It's probably not because the algorithm is against you. It's probably because your topic isn't strong enough, your thumbnail isn't stopping people from scrolling, your hook isn't keeping viewers interested, or your content isn't solving a problem people actually care about. The good news is that every one of those problems can be fixed. You don't need expensive gear. You don't need thousands of subscribers. And you definitely don't need luck. What you need is a better strategy, a willingness to improve after every upload, and the patience to keep going while everyone else gives up. Remember this, every successful YouTuber you admire once uploaded videos that almost nobody watched. The difference is they didn't stop. They learned, adapted, and kept creating until the results finally caught up with the effort. If this video helped you understand why your channel isn't getting views, then the next video on your screen is the one you should watch next. In it, I'll show you exactly how to find viral YouTube ideas that people are already searching for, so you can stop guessing and start creating content with real growth potential. Click that video now, and I'll see you there. Rock it.